Hello there. It's been a while since I've done one of these quick videos, but I just wanted to cover chapter 18, but I didn't have much to talk about it, so I figured this was the perfect opportunity to bring it back. And you see, I'm talking about chapter 18 and not chapter 17, because I'm skipping it entirely, because honestly, I did not have much to talk about there either. In any case, figured I'll make this video to talk about some things that you might not know you could do with match, or patterns in general. Alright, let's get into it. You can see for demo purposes, I have a struct with properties first, middle, and last. Very simple, 𝚖𝚘, tuple of 𝚖𝚘, an option of an own string, and then we initialize two variables. One is whatever, with set 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a none, and then this conditional boolean variable set to false. Cool. Now the actual meat and potatoes of this video, match. And here I've organized it, and it looks somewhat daunting, but I'm hoping that each line will introduce you to one or more new things. The first line, there's three things I want to highlight. First one is we're using destructuring. So we have destruct, and we're accessing inner elements like first. That's the first thing. Second, we're ignoring some elements while destructuring with ... Now third is we're using or to match 1 or 2. As I say it, it seems extremely simple, but I don't see this being used enough, so I figured I'll bring it up. And that's the first match arm, just fast firing. Second one, what I want to highlight is the middle element here. Because while ... does allow you to ignore properties, true ignoring properties allows you to target specific elements as well. So in this example, we are using ... to get the first and the last elements in this tuple. And one thing to note, this cannot be ambiguous, so you cannot do something like ... middle ... because as you can see, we have like 4 elements, right? So we would be ambiguous to the compiler what middle would be. All right. Next match arm, we're using ... again, but this is a different ... This is a ... equal, which is sort of like a range or a true operator. So this will match 4, true, 6. And that's it. The next one, you can see that this right here would really match anything. But this match arm will not always execute because it has a match guard. So you can see that after your match normal statement, you could say after your normal pattern, you can add an if, and this will only match if this was true. So you can see this will not match. All right, next up is a way to sort of combine normal assignments when destructuring with range. So, you know, if we wanted to just match a number for first, we would just assign a numVar. But if we want to assign that and also go look through a range and match, we use the at binding. So you say numVar at 7 through 10. Right, and this will match if this variable was 7 through 10. And you can also then make use of this numVar. Next one, and I think it's sort of the main ones of this video, is ref and ref mute. What this allows you to do is that when matching a pattern, it allows you to create a reference or a mutable reference so that you don't necessarily lose ownership of that value. So you can see here we'll match if this was sum, so it will not match. And the last one is our catch-all, because this can be anything, this can be anything. So if this is none, it will actually alter the value and set to sum. So you can see we will match the last item. So if I run this, we'll get 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in here we set to OK. But just to demonstrate ref mute, I'm actually going to remove our ref and remove our ref mute. I'll save this and let's run it again. And you'll see the option string cannot be dereferenced. Okay, let me just remove this because that's not the error that I wanted to show you. And instead, let me run this again. And there we go. The value partially moved here. So value borrowed here after partial move. That's what ref is allowing us to get by. So if I add this ref, you'll see that their error will be gone. And there we go, we matched anything. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.